SAOcube Moyo RS3 MV5 unboxing. First turns. Not that good. I mean, my expectations were quite low naman since the original RS3 MV5 weren't really good out of the box and you need some setup. But this one just felt extra dry and a bit clunky while turning, kinda like a Meilong MV2. However, like all cubes, first impressions are irrelevant unless wala kang plano i-setup yung cube mo. Then how does it feel after some setup? I loosened mine with quarter turns on all sides, tried compression setting 2, and then 4, and then went back to 1. This for me felt more natural and a bit more on the looser side. Cube corner cuts well, has a decent auto alignment, and if you want more stability instead of flexibility, pwede mo naman siya i-tighten. Okay, recap. This is almost just the same of the original top variant. The only difference is mas malakas yung magnet nito and imbis na maglev, spring yung gamit niya. It also got rid of all the unnecessary accessories that come with it. Sino bang gumagamit itong robot? Okay, for the verdict. I really just ordered this cube dahil may matte variant siya and I like matte cubes kesa sa UV. Would I still recommend you to buy this? Okay, before the RS3 MV5 original is one of my top recommendation for cube under 1K, but this made its value even better. Dahil wala na ngang mga accessories, mas bumaba yung price niya. Do I rank this higher than my SAOcube Tianma? No, I still like the SAO X3 better. Do I get worse performance when I use this cube? No, hindi rin. I even got a 6-second solve live on cam. If galing kayo sa original RS3 MV5, hindi ko kayo bubudulin at sasabihin ko na ngayon na huwag nyo tong bilhin. It's almost exactly the same cube. But if you want another cube and nagagaanan ka sa Tianma, or you just want a nice cube with a really competitive price, then go ahead. I will rank this higher than the SAOcube Tianma second variant, but lower than the top variant. My statement still stands. If you have under 1K budget, I suggest buying either the 3 of these cubes and buy the Ganlube 3 and Ganlube 2 with your extra money. I can't emphasize this enough, guys. Kailangan nyo i-set up and i-lube yung cube nyo para ma-reach yung maximum potential. Baka nga okay na yung cube mo ngayon pero kailangan mo lang ng bagong lubricant. I lubed mine with 4 drops of Ganlube 3 sa tracks and 2 lube of Ganlube 2. Ayun lang. Bye!